how to change Gmail one-time password phone number. Let's say you've lost your phone or you've got a new phone and you want to access Gmail. To get that OTP passphrase, you want to change your phone number. Simply log into your Google account. Then under Security tab, press on two-step verification phones. Let's do that. You can follow this step and procedure on a desktop or through your smartphone as well. So then all you need to do is, it is wise to add your new number to get your OTP password, so to speak, and make sure that you can access your Gmail before you delete your previous number if you do not have access to it. So then all you need to do is enter your phone number here, and how would you like to get your OTP password, so to speak, text message or even a voice call. Select next, and that is how you change the phone number for verification of Google products.